Hi everyone, is your Roborock not charging? Well, there's a couple of things to look out for. First of all, if it's simply not finding the dock, chances are maybe your dock isn't plugged in. Believe me, it's happened to me many times. So let's plug it in. Now, another thing that could be wrong is error 13, which suggests that your contacts might not be as clean as they need to be. If it's just a case of dirty contacts, in that case what you need to do is get a cloth and get some ideally isopropyl alcohol, and you're going to wipe down all the contacts here. Really make sure to clean them well. Okay, so now that our alcohol has dried off, we're going to check if that works. And most of the time it will. If you place it down on the contacts, it'll start charging. In this particular case, I've already checked it. This dock is unfortunately no good, so the robot is not charging in this case. But again, in your experience, if it's just the contacts, then it will be fine. Now, if you're like me and you have a dock that's not charging, some of the symptoms to see if you have a bad dock is this light will sometimes be flickering. Mine does sometimes flicker and sometimes doesn't. I think it just started failing, so it's kind of inconsistent, but the fact that it doesn't tells me that it's there's something wrong there. If you have a multimeter or a voltmeter specifically, you can check the voltage, the DC voltage against these two contacts. So mine is showing a pretty consistent 4.2 volts, which is generally pretty good, but when I checked this dock earlier, it kept going up to 15, then drifting down to 3, back up to 15, drifting down to 3. So anyway, I already know that I need a new dock. So you can find these docks on Amazon or eBay. They'll probably run you about $50 to get a new dock. You can also get a replacement board for these. Replacing the board will be the subject of a different video, but if you're going to replace whether the dock or the board specifically, the product model is right over here. That's important. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.